Hey there, welcome to Trusted Web eServices. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily find new and returning users in Google Analytics 4. Let's get started. First, head over to your GA4 property and navigate to Reports. Under Acquisition, click on Traffic Acquisition. By default, you won't see the metrics for new and returning users in this report. To add these metrics, click the pencil icon in the top right corner. This allows you to customize your report. Scroll down to the Metrics section in the editing sidebar. Click the Add Metric box to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, search for new users and returning users. Select each one individually to add them to the report. Once added, these metrics will appear in your list. You can reposition them from 1 to 12 based on your priorities. For example, let's move them to the first 2 spots to make them easier to view. Now that everything is set up, click the Apply button to save your changes. Finally, click the Save button and choose Save Changes to Current Report. Then hit Save again to finalize your edits. And there you have it. Your traffic acquisition report will now display the new users and returning users metrics right at the top. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Trusted Web eServices for more actionable tutorials.